So we have learnt to play C major, we've learnt to play A minor, we've learnt to play F, and now we're going to put in the grand wazoo, which is our G chord. And if you can play those 4 chords, it will open up a world of songs for you. So we're going to take our second finger, we're going to put it on the 2nd fret of our 1st string, and that's what it sounds like. It's quite beautiful, just like that. We're going to take our 3rd finger, we're going to put it on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That sounds like that. Then we're going to take our 1st finger, we're going to put it on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and that's our G major.